are giving importance to it because it seems that the quarrel among
Greetings to you all.
not
My
only
name is R.H. Minglin
Manipur
Mar.
now, but it has been
I was
going
the
on
previous
in
Vice
places
President of the Kacholang Mar
and
Association
especially
and
in
presently
Karbianglong
the
and
President
Manasau
of
also.
Mar Arts
So
and Cultural
here
Society,
we are
Kedo.
demanding that strict
Professionally,
action
I was in the
must be
Central
taken
Secretariat
to
Service. I
restore
retired
peace
as
in
Deputy
Manipur
Secretary to
and to
Government of
stop the
India
riots
in
against
the Ministry of
the
Defense
Kuki
and
and
retired
any other people,
in
and
2018 and
to
settled
restore
down here in
peace
Manipur.
and to punish
As a
the
community
guilty
leader,
people immediately. And we also
what has
demand
happened
that this
in
inactive,
Manipur
incapable
is really a
Ministry
pain.
of Biren Singh
Heart
in
in
Manipur,
the
it should
core
be
of my
brought
heart.
down, and
When
Manipur should be placed under
a
president's rule
a
immediately.
video parading two girls in totally naked situation and maybe gang raping or whatever, we don't know. Of course, I cannot cry out in front of my wife and children. I have to go to the toilet and cry. I cannot go to Manipur as a volunteer. Of course, I know how to hold a rifle, how to hold, how to shoot AK-47, but I cannot do that because I don't believe in violence. And the defense group did not allow those who are more than 60 years of age to be in the front line. Otherwise, I have to go. I am really painful and also sorry to share that whether the central government or the government of Manipur are just like a statue, cannot move or speak or do anything. Some people say that this is a crisis, and I say in capital letters that this is not a crisis. This is a man-made violence, a pre-planned pre-fixation, a pre-planned ethnic cleansing. That's why the Home Minister of the central government himself, after visiting 3 days, could do nothing. Of course, the chairman of NEDA, our beloved Chief Minister of Asong, also was there, and no result. From the defense forces, I know very well about the defense forces because I was in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs as a director of some military projects. The commander of the Eastern Command went there. The chief of the army staff went there. The chief of the joint staff also went there. And we don't have any higher military rank in the joint as a joint chief. And they can do nothing. And so far as the reports and whatever news we can get indicated very clearly, crystal clear, that things became upside down. Whatever report I'm getting from the Delhi, I prefer to believe that 90% of faith or upside down or something ultra report.
Itu senang lagi ya. Kalau nilai tenang lah.
Tapi hilang juga lagi je.
No, no.
I don't know if bunkers are built around winter.
Go.
I totally believe that the tribal volunteers may have built a bunker because they have to defend themselves. But I don't believe at all the one who understands the functioning of the military that the tribal volunteers will not attack the bunker because bunkers are located. Coming out of this crisis, we know that the government will order that private gun license should be removed. When some people go there with their guns, it may not be a big gun, it is SPBL gun, MBL gun, you don't know, single shot guns. They retain the guns for renewal for some months. I don't know why renewal of a gun license takes some months. So all the guns are holed up. Then the government passed some laws concerning the forest matters of the state, so as to grab tribal lands. We know that tribal lands, not only in 6th schedule, but tribal lands in every state is safeguarded by the constitutional provisions. How can they do all things we don't know? Maybe the interpretation of the constitutional provisions may be something different. And all these things came up. Then, the issue of inclusion of the Maydays as scheduled tribe came up, and it was taken up in the High Court. Inclusion of any particular tribe in scheduled tribe or scheduled caste or OBC is the work of the parliament. The parliament needs to enact a law and make amendment in the provisions, not in the court of law. So all these things have to provoke. And when the Atum staged a demonstration, the very same night, dozens of tribal peoples in Imphal cities lost their lives. So it is pre-planned, everything is pre-planned. And there's reports say that the Meitei peoples are killed and raped in Churachandpur. I don't know, whatever happened in Imphal is reported as in Churachandpur. And whatever happened in Churachandpur or Kangpok is reported as whatever happened in Imphal. So things become upside down again. So all these things are coming up, and I have no hope now that anything can come up. And I am totally amazed why our beloved Prime Minister and the Chief Minister of Manipur open their mouth when they see a naked video of two girls. It is only a naked video of girls they are writing. Do they love naked video? Do they love pornography? Touching of the private part of the girls, that's what make them open their lips. I don't know. I'm really pained. So I think I should not speak long. Otherwise, I'll hurt. Or my hand will flew. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm standing here. Of course, I'm not in Manipur. I'm standing. I'm in Assam. I'm standing here, and we will not beg off an inch, and we will not lose an inch square of a tribal land. And if that is not so, I will go there. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. আমি সবে জানো আমি डिटेल्स कथा तो अभी नहीं जानू किंतु हमारे सारों जोगिदी हम लोग का सर का दौरा से हम लोग डिटेल्स हम लोग का एक्सप्लेन किया है हम लोग के लिए और वहाँ का जो सिचुएशन जो चल रहा है हम लोग भी अभी बहुत दुखी है इसलिए आज हम लोग इकट्ठा होकर हम लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं इसलिए मैं समय देना चाहता हूँ कि हम तुर्की जो तरफ से और रामसलिन खोबुंग मैं आवेदन करता हूँ कि यहाँ आकर उसका स्पीच दे सकते इसलिए मैं समय देता हूँ
आज हम हिंदी भाषा में बात करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम एक नारा लगाएंगे, भारत माता की। मैं जोर से यहाँ चिल्ला के बोलूंगे, आप सब लोग क्या बोलेंगे?